The person who I am going to talk about is the American Olympic swimmer Michael Phelps. He is the most decorated athlete of all times in swimming. He was born on June 30, 1988, in Baltimore. Phelps started swimming at the age of 7 and at sixth grade was diagnosed with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder (HD). By the age of 10, he held the national record for his age group in 100 meters butterfly. In consequence of this, he started training at North Baltimore Aquatic Club under Bob Bowman, who is still his coach today. Nevertheless, it is very important to mention the three principal facts that helped Phelps to become the person who is nowadays. Let's start with the talent of the swimmer. If we analyze Michael Phelps' trajectory, we notice that he has excelled in this sport since he achieved the national record at the age of 10. Likewise, he went to the Olympic Sydney Games at the age of 15, getting the 5th place in 200 meters butterfly. Also, in 2001, he won his first absolute title, a gold medal in 200 meters butterfly test at the World Cup in Fukuoka. In the last test, he not only won a gold medal, but also set a world record of 1 minute and 54 seconds, becoming the youngest medalist in history. We have already talked about his talent. Now, let's see his daily training. Michael trains 6 hours a day, 6 days a week. He begins with a normal stretching schedule, followed by a resistance training 3 times a week for an hour. His training focuses on his muscular endurance, flexibility, and improving his buoyancy in the water. His swimming training is equal to 8 kilometers of swimming. This swimming training is followed by a cardiovascular routine. It is also important to mention his 2,000 calories diet, where he includes in only a breakfast 3 fried egg sandwiches, 3 pancakes with chocolate chips, 5 egg omelette, 3 toast topped with sugar, and a bowl of cornmeal. Knowing all the physical and mental effort that Michael Phelps makes to be the athlete with the most medals in the world, it is now vital to analyze if there are luck factors that help him achieve his goal. Michael's height is 1.83 meters. This helps the swimmer to be faster and to have better scope inside the water. Phelps has half the loads of lactic acid that is normal, and that gives him the possibility to recover better after the effort. Likewise, his open arms cover 208 centimeters, and this provides him with perfect levels to advance in the water. Similarly, Phelps has a huge torso, disproportionate to his legs, and measures 1.93 meters. This also allows him to overcome one of the main problems that swimmers suffer. When they crawl through the water, their legs slow them down. Finally, I've learned from this person's success that effort and really hard work is the real success in life. No matter if you win medals or have hundreds of acknowledgments, the real success and satisfaction is to overcome yourself and becoming better and better every single day. For me, that is the combination that Michael Phelps had for achieving gold, but most important, for achieving his dream.